Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a quick and short videos to know how to view recent activities on Windows. So I will show you perfect process. So let's start the video. Come to the search bar, come to the window and come to search for and search for run. Okay. So here you can see you can open the run options. Under the run you need to type app data, APP data. Okay. Just type the app data, just okay. Click the OK, and under the app data you need to go in roaming. Then we need to go in that Microsoft options. Under the Microsoft we need to come down and see the Windows. Under the Windows you can see the few folders, so we need to find that recent items options, and here you can see the all recent items or recent activities you did, and here the date you can filter with the date. Okay, and this is actually shortcuts, you can delete from here. If you want to delete, you can delete. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.